Hello and welcome to Goods In. These are the Mixcder E9 headphones. Thank you to Mixcder for sending me these to take a look at and review. This is just an unboxing. They're going to do a full review in a couple of weeks' time. I like to actually try and use things before I review them rather than just, you know, whipping them out of the box. So I do this in a separate video, just take them out of the box, show you what's in the box and just do a general kind of first impression, I suppose, of the product. I really should have brought a knife for this, shouldn't I? So these are noise cancelling headphones, Bluetooth of course, with, you know, telephone connectivity, fairly standard stuff in 2019. But let's take a look. They're quite, I think they retail at, I think the retail price on their site is quite high, but you can get these on Amazon for about $50, $60. So everything you get in the box, that is it. Nothing else in there. Everything is in this nice carry case. That's pretty decent. So let's take a look in there and see whether or not it is just the headphones. No, so they are in their folded configuration, or one of their folded configurations, because I think there are two. And there's the bag of goodies, so it really is super simple. Nothing too much to these. So they fold up like that, which is a nice way of being able to fold headphones. I know from experience, from the headphones I use daily, that this works really well. You can just throw those in your bag, or alternatively, they also fold like that if that's more convenient for you. General feel is pretty good. This is not leather, but it's, well, it feels okay. Feels like it'll be pretty comfortable on your ears. As to how long it'll last, yeah, who can tell at this stage? You know, like 5 minutes in. But yeah, the Mixcder E9, so one of their higher end headphone choices. And let's just take out what else you get. So you get a cable, so you can connect it over. Assume they have, yep, they have a cable there, so you can just plug that in and connect that directly to your headphone out on your phone. No chance. Your dongle or appropriate accessory. And then you get a airplane adapter provided with it as well, and the standard Mixcder customer service thing, and a manual telling you presumably how to pair and what have you. So that's it. Oh, sorry, micro USB cable as well, because they charge over micro USB. So these are fairly standard Bluetooth headphones. I'm guessing all the controls are on the right hand side. Where's it marked which is right and which is left? Oh, there we go. Just in there you can see that that's right. Yeah, most normally on these headphones the controls are on the right hand side. And we have our power button there, volume plus minus, and then the active noise cancellation is kind of oddly just a switch, so it's sort of independent from the rest of the headphone power. It's just kind of like on or not, you know. So I presume you could probably put these on with not listening to any music and just have noise cancelled purely from the fact that it has a microphone on. It's taking the noise in and it's cancelling it out. So let me just see whether these will power up. I'm assuming that the light came on there, so they do have power available. I'm just going to put these up to my microphone so you can hear if it says anything when it powers up.
Power on.
All right. There we are, power on. Let's grab my phone and see whether we can get these devices connected, because I'm guessing they haven't been connected to anything at the moment, so they probably will be. They won't be paired to anything, or they shouldn't be paired to anything, so as a result they should just pop up in the bottom, but maybe not. Oh, there we go. So if I just zoom in a little bit. See the E9 there, just choose that. We've got some flashing lights on the bottom there, and that is now connected. Great. So if I now go to my, I don't know, go to Tidal, and just pick the very first thing that I can find here, which happens to be an Ariana Grande song. Okay. So all really straightforward to set up. They feel nice and sturdy in the hand, along with, I imagine, track changes and what have you. But I'm just going to take a quick listen and just give you my very first impressions as to how they sound. So this is what the headphones look like on. I just put them on there just so you can see them on my head. They sound nice. First impressions are really good. It's really nice, sweet treble. And solid bass on them, but not distorted, at least not with that Ariana Grande song that I was listening to. But yeah, nice, and they're very comfortable. Nice firm fit on the head, nice and tight. The band is tight. They've got marked, they've actually got measurements up here, so you can see, like, 5, 10, 15, so you know you can go back to exactly the size that you were previously. And yeah, really nice. Well, I might as well just make that my review, but no, seriously, I'll wear these a bit more. There's other more important features for me than that on headphones like this. I need to be able to use these for calls as well, and that's kind of an important side of Bluetooth headphones too. So we'll test all that and come back with a full review in a couple of weeks. I do like this though. I like this having these little measurements along the side. I mean, I can kind of guess this distance, but it's nice to have them sort of marked out there so you know exactly where you're at. So this is the Mixcder E9 headphones. I'll put links in the description below if you want to take a look at them and support the channel. That'll be good. But come in this nice carry case, and that's our goods in for today. Thanks for watching.